Want to know the smartest way to start making 5 figures in monthly income? This strategy is the only wealth building approach that people like Warren Buffett used, and it's available to you and me. If I'd known what I know now, I would have left the corporate world a lot sooner and started building my path to financial freedom by buying and starting businesses. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how, even if you have little to no money to start. Let's dive in. Quick background. I spent over 30 years building startups, consulting for Fortune 50 companies, and buying businesses. One of my best decisions? Buying a chili dog restaurant. I know, not the fanciest business, right? But that little boring business brought in up to $150,000 in profits each year. And it taught me something big. Real wealth doesn't come from flashy ideas, it comes from reliable, everyday businesses. This strategy is something you can start today. If I could go back, I would have left corporate America way sooner. Here's why. Buying or starting a small business puts you in control, allowing you to build wealth for yourself, not just clock hours for someone else. With an existing business, you're stepping into something already proven. Starting from scratch lets you build something exactly the way you want it. Either way, you're setting yourself on a path that leads to financial independence. Boring businesses are where the real money is. And this isn't just my theory. It's how Warren Buffett made his millions. Most people on the Forbes 500 didn't get rich by launching a trendy startup. They invested in a stable, profitable business that people need every day. Whether it's a laundromat or a car wash or a chili dog restaurant like mine, these businesses bring in consistent income, month after month. When people need your services daily, that's dependable profit. All right, here's the big question. How can you buy a business with no money down? The answer is seller financing. This is when the seller becomes the lender and you pay them back over time with the business's profits. It's not uncommon. 60% of small business sales involve some form of seller financing. This strategy allowed me to own profitable businesses without a huge upfront cost. And it's out there for anyone willing to look for the right deal. There are 4 main ways to buy a business: cash, SBA loans, outside investors, and my favorite, seller financing. With seller financing, you're using the business itself to pay for it over time, meaning you're not locked into a big investment up front. Sellers often like it too because it gives them steady income after the sale. This approach has helped me build a portfolio without a huge financial risk. Here's something personal. I've been laid off before, actually several times, and every time I turned it into an opportunity to aim higher. My severance became funding for my next venture, and I used the time to explore business opportunities. If you're facing a layoff, see it as a chance to launch into independence. Your company may just be paying for your next big step, whether that be buying an existing business or starting your own. Okay, let's talk about how you actually find these businesses. Start by looking for businesses in your area that aren't flashy but have been around for years. Some examples could be local car washes or cleaning companies, repair shops, coffee stands. These boring businesses tend to be profitable and are often owned by people nearing retirement. People who are ready to sell and open to seller financing. Check local business listings on sites like BizBuySell or reach out directly to owners. Many are open to talking if you show genuine interest. Imagine this. You don't just stop at one business, you start building a portfolio, each one bringing in steady cash flow. This is how the wealthiest people grow their net worth. It's a strategy that I've used and have seen work time and time again. Each business in your portfolio is another income stream. That's the difference between working for money and having money work for you. Look, I'm not saying there won't be challenges. Owning a business is work. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll have to invest time and you'll face ups and downs. But here's the thing. Every challenge you face in your business is an investment in yourself. Unlike a corporate job where you're building someone else's dream, owning a business means every bit of your effort goes towards your future and your financial freedom. If you're serious about taking control of your future, don't wait. This is a strategy that has made fortunes for people like Warren Buffett, and it could do the same for you. Hit subscribe for more on buying and starting businesses that build real wealth. This is your road to financial freedom, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's start this journey together.